Ever wondered why it's harder to push a heavy object than a light one? Or why the faster you want to go, the harder you have to press the gas pedal? These questions all come down to Newton's second law of motion. Welcome back to Science Bites. Today we're breaking down Newton's second law and discovering how force, mass, and acceleration are all connected. Newton's second law tells us that force equals mass times acceleration. In simple terms, the more mass an object has, the more force you need to accelerate it. Imagine you're pushing an empty shopping cart. It's easy to get it moving. But load that cart up with groceries, and you'll need to apply much more force to make it move at the same speed. Let's look at a real-life example. A car. When you press the gas pedal, you're increasing the force applied to the car's engine. This makes the car accelerate. But the heavier the car or the more passengers you have, the more force it takes to achieve the same acceleration. That's why race cars are built to be light and fast. Less mass, more acceleration. So the next time you're pushing something heavy or driving, remember, Newton's second law is in action. The more mass something has, the more force you'll need to make it move, and the faster you want to go, the harder you need to push. Next time on, we'll explore Newton's third law of motion. For every action, there's an equal and opposite reaction. Ever wondered why a rocket pushes against the ground to launch into space? Stay tuned to find out. Like and subscribe for more bite-sized science that makes the universe easier to understand, one concept at a time.